We may contain the earth, run away, but hold her down with soggy clothes and breezeblocks. Shivers in your fevers with me again, never kisses, or you ever send our phones slow. Do you know where the waters go? They go on undertake your home. Way down how we build our breakfast down and say my love, 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 love. Muscle to muscle, to toe to toe. The fear has gripped me, but here I go. My heart sings as I come up. Yeah, I can tell that my heart is shutting up.
I did hook up the sub, and we can actually listen to the sub by itself. Hopefully we can get a sense of, or you can get a sense of, the crossover that's inside. Okay, wow, I'm actually quite impressed. The crossover's set a little bit higher than I would like. I'd rather it capture a little bit more of the low, or just take out a little bit more of the mids, but it's actually pretty loud. There is something rattling inside though, and I noticed when I took it out of the box, it sounded like a screw or like a little pebble or something inside the case. So I'm gonna have to get in there and see if I can get it out, because you could hear it every time it hits.
We may contain the earth, run away, but hold her down with soggy clothes and breezeblocks. Shivers in your fevers with me again, never kisses, or do you ever send our full stop? Do you know where the waffles go? They go on undertake your home. Way down how we build our breakfast down and say my love, 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 love. Muscle to muscle, to toe to toe. The fear has gripped me, but here I go. My heart sings as I come up. Yeah, I pretend that my heart is shutting
I'm actually really impressed with the difference. It kind of fills in that low to mid range that the speakers are missing. It's a little boomy, a little on the muddy side, I think. I'd rather it hit much harder at the lower end, but of course it's passive and it's only an 8-inch driver inside. I don't know if it's just me, because I think it might sound different, but I think it actually sounds a lot better. It sounds a lot deeper, less muffled, more precise, more accurate. It's got a little bit more low-end punch. I don't know. I mean, I guess it makes sense if it's surrounded by dirt and it's solid. It's going to it's going to be more of a solid container. It's going to hit harder. I don't know. So I recommend it.